Suzanne and all of the crew will be doing their utmost to make your flight with us to Bermuda just as comfortable as possible. Got a flying time today of 6 hours and 55 minutes, that's 6 hours and 55. Weather conditions en route should be reasonably smooth, and forecast arrival for the Bermuda area is full of nice conditions, and temperatures during the day getting up to the mid-20s on the centigrade scale. That's the low to mid-70s on the Fahrenheit scale. If you're planning to get some rest with us during the course of the flight and you're going to utilise your blanket, could I urge you please to fasten the seatbelts up on the outside of the blanket so it's visible to crew members. And should the need arise for us to turn the seatbelt signs on during the course of the flight, cabin crew will see that you're strapped in your seat visibly and they won't need to disturb your rest. Very finally, my main concern as your captain is for your safety, and the crew will be demonstrating the safety features on board once the aircraft gets underway. I would urge you please to watch and listen very carefully. Unfortunately, one of the passengers has gone walkabout in the terminal building. We can't find the passenger concerned, and also unfortunately that passenger has 2 bags in the hold and they're in 2 different locations. So I've got my ground crew team at the moment trying to find the bags and offload them. Should the passenger arrive before the bags are offloaded, then I'll board the passenger. Just trying to do the best of both worlds really, whatever time-wise is best. If we find the bags first, the passenger doors are closed at the moment. If we find the bags first, I'll close the cargo doors and then we'll leave without the passenger and the bags. So at the moment that's what I'm waiting for. I hope no more than about 5 minutes from now. Just leaving to say on behalf of myself, all of the crew and all of us at British Airways, thank you for including us in your travel plans in these crazy